Don't. Did you hear that though?
I heard that.
So spring is here, but the fact that I'm not out riding yet, that is a disgrace. I don't know what happened, but at the end of last year I wanted to get in my last run. The bike just stopped, just didn't want to start anymore, and I have no idea what the problem was. Because I don't see how I can fix it, so...
No, and it's definitely electrical.
Yeah.
And I'm fucking lost like.
And I thought to myself, you know what, I don't need it anymore this year, so I'm just gonna leave it here. It actually stopped right outside my dad's garage, which is where I wanted the winter store it, so the timing for it to stop couldn't have been better. It's like my bike was just telling me, you know what, I'm done, mate. I'm done for this year. So I have my helmet with me, and I'm on my way out to see if I can get the bike fixed, so I can take advantage of the first rays of sunshine, because it's just tingling in my fingers, actually in my entire body, to just start riding. And now with this weather and no bike, it's just fucking taunting me, to be honest with you. It's quite a journey to get out here. I just arrived and see the first issue without even getting to the bike. A car, and still quite a lot of snow in front of the garage door. If we get the bike started, I will dig the snow away and lift the car myself to get the bike out. Yeah, got it.
What?
Got power.
None?
Yeah, we do.
Don't.
Did you hear that though?
I heard that, yeah, that'll start.
But that does mean it will start right now, or at least on that try it would have started. I mean, the problem is obviously there, but it's not doing it anymore.
I know, this is what you love or what you hate.
Yeah, I know. The last year there was just a clicking sound when we pressed the starter button. I tried it now real quick, as you saw, and the bike turned over. So I'm just gonna let it charge, and then gonna see what happens, because that sounds promising. But the problem is, when will that click be back? When will it stop turning over? That's more the bigger issue, and I feel like I don't really want that to happen while I'm on top of a mountain. Alright, let's see if it will start. It's been charging a little bit now. Won't get it out though, have to be honest about that. Well, it starts.
Starting fine. No, we'll start again. Cool.
So I don't know.
I don't fucking know either.
Alright, so I guess the bike is kind of fixed. I mean, I didn't fix it, we didn't fix it, the bike kind of just fixed itself. I guess time fixed it. Although, it's not really fixed, is it? It starts now, which is great, but I don't trust it. I'm not satisfied with it, we can say. So my plan is, let it stand, hope for the snow to melt away, get the battery fully charged. Let me just get past this hill. And I come back here like next week, maybe, earliest next week anyway, if the weather holds. Then get it out for a rip. Nearly every year so far, I've been one of the last bikers out riding and one of the first ones out riding. This year, I'm not one of the first ones. So, I guess the good thing about this is that I actually did not think we would be able to fix that bike today. I thought I would be walking back to the bus, just as I'm doing now, and we would have been none the wiser onto why the bike doesn't start. Well, I'm still none the wiser to why the bike didn't start last year, at least now it does start. So it's one win, I guess. I hope that when I come back next week to actually take it out, that it starts. That would be typical my luck for it not to be. Yeah. Speaking of being some of the first ones out this year, I just saw a mate of mine ride past. Pretty sure he has to come back. Let's see if I can get his attention. Lucky you for being one of the first people on the road.
First ride of the year.
First ride, new bike.
Not the first ride on this bike.
No, just off
Drove
the
it last year as well, but then it wasn't mine.
Okay. Well, your fender is a little short, I think. Judging by the spray.
I don't know.
A little. It's so small though.
Exactly. 2012 wanted their activities back.
That did not help with making me jealous. Man, I need to get this fucking bike in order. I need to get out there. It's a few days later. The snow outside the garage is gone. I did get the bike started last time, but I didn't get it out. This time, I'm getting it out. I actually didn't mind that much that I didn't get the bike out last time, because the day after I was out here last to get the bike out, it started snowing again. And then the weather's just been shit ever since. I mean, today it's not the greatest either, but so I looked online and I found that you can buy a direct start button. I'm gonna install that on the bike, see if it works, and that should eliminate that potential future problem. So the idea is to bolt onto there. Let's see if that works. I need to take that plate off and then you put on the other one and that should start it straight away, but well, let's see. That's the new part there now. Big old chrome button there. This is the old plate that's on there. This kind of covers that button, so you can't really, there's nothing there, but behind it there is a button. And when you put on this very easy bolt on aftermarket part, it should just be that you press it and you override the electric starter, like handlebar starter, and your bike should start as long as you have a charge in your battery. If you're stuck somewhere with a good old click, which I've heard is very common in these bikes, but still haven't tried it yet. We're gonna see now how it works, or if it even works at all.
Boom.
No. Oh hell yeah!
That started a beauty.
Yeah, well that worked. Random people.
Yeah,
so that was a very easy, quick fix.
That was fantastic.
Yeah. Randomly found it online, and it nearly starts better that way.
I did. Try the normal way.
Yeah.
Just
Well, I have two ways of starting it now.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
That is brilliant.
Yeah.
Really, I am amazed. Really amazed. I've never seen that system before, and I've been riding bikes for 30 years. That is fucking brilliant.
Yeah, I'm really fucking surprised about it too, actually.
And
It sounded too simple, you know what I
I
mean?
have a kickstart.
Yeah.
That doesn't start like that.
Yeah. Oh man, that feels good. Whew. First time out on a bike this year, or actually first time out on this bike this year. That's the story for another day. Let's focus on this one. Oh man, I forgot how fucking beautiful this machine is to ride. Been way too long since I've been out on this machine. Norway being all cold and shit. Oh, someone else on their bike. My first little wave of the year. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, let's head back and see if we can't get my dad's bike started as well. Which honestly, I don't think we can. I swear to you, my dad spends more time fixing his bike than riding it.
I think I might have found the problem.
Oh yeah?
There's a rotten cable in there.
Uh-huh.
Put your finger over the fluid hole when I kick start.
Yeah, it comes out. Compression.
Compression.
Like. That's what you want?
That's what I want. That's all we need.
Yeah.
And then we know we didn't blow the cylinder, it's electrical.
Yeah, okay.
Because if it blew the cylinder, then everything's got to come off, and then you got to divide these here, and
Yeah.
inside's the piston,
Yeah.
and it's usually the rings on the pistons that go.
Yeah, I get it.
Then you have to get the piston out and re-ring it and put it back in again. Big job. Right. Why is that blowing out?
Which one?
So that cloth is lifting.
Well, the filter is here.
Is it coming from the lift, from the oil filter?
That's probably it, yeah. It's the only thing I can imagine. Doesn't not turn over very well though, is it?
No, because it hasn't got the power to do it. There's a grind or there's something stopping it. And the smoke come from somewhere. Where's it come from? See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all rotted.
Yeah.
I think that could be our problem. I'm a really fucking dickhead again. It was him that fixed it.
Yeah.
No, it's not fixed.
Am I dreaming? It looks a hell of a lot like summer out there. Or maybe spring. But no matter if it's spring or summer out there, it looks like some great weather for some proper riding.